Will the US election send Bitcoin and crypto soaring? And I feel like everybody knows what the answer to that is. It's a pretty simple answer. And you could use fractal-based technical analysis, not that hard to do. Fractals are used in like every single industry differently, and you can kind of see. Basically, fractal-based technical analysis is when you look at previous patterns that happened in the past, and you use that to determine what could happen today. What could happen today? So we're going to go ahead and do a Bitcoin market update, crypto market update. I'm going to take a look at some meme coins that are worth it. Mostly trash has been submitted as always, but we'll take a look at that. And I'm going to tell you what sectors I think you should be paying attention to. Why? Because I can, because it's my show. Anyways, with that being said, I'm a hot mess. I have not been feeling well. Most of you guys know I'm probably gonna be very crabby for the next like couple weeks because just not feeling well. But it is what it is. Oh my goodness. Also, no makeup because it's Sunday, and I don't care. Because I wear makeup lots of days. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to pull up some pieces of information that I thought was interesting and that I think you guys should continue to do more due diligence on because it's important. I also want to show you two new friends. This little cutie. This is Lowe's. And then this little cutie. As I love French fries. All right, let's go ahead and get started. As always, you guys can go ahead and post comments of meme coins you guys want me to take a look at down in the chat. I might take a look, I might not. I think most of them are hot garbage trash. Also, too, I don't have enough time to go through and take a look at the wallets and see like who's holding majority, because that's generally something that happens with meme coins. Is like when these things launch, there's generally like a group of people or one person owns majority of the supply, and they just do weird stuff. Majority of people will. I want to show me how many people. TikTok is being weird. I don't know. It's being weird. I can't even see how many people are here. Anyways, what was I saying? But yeah, I'm going to also do a dedicated video on my thoughts on meme coins, my real thoughts on meme coins. Thank you guys. Because I think it's important. And I think a lot of people really aren't touching on this. Everyone's just like, higher, meme coins are going to the moon. And they convince you, and these communities convince you to diamond hand this stuff, which in reality, diamond handing anything outside of Bitcoin is absolutely stupid. You're going to get wrecked. You will absolutely get wrecked. And if you were here last cycle, you should know better. Meme coins are fantastic. But at the end of the day, you need to take profit. Profit, initial investment, enough for taxes, rinse and repeat. And you can hold a moon bag. That's what moon bag is. And if you don't learn how to do that, you're going to get wrecked. A lot of these communities, basically what they want you to do, they want you to pay to be a part of their community, which is very similar to NFTs. Great, fantastic, fine. Me personally, I don't need to pay to be a part of anyone's community. I don't need to pay anyone to be friends with them. That's what a lot of this is. And it's the same thing that we saw with NFTs. And NFTs were done incorrectly. Hold on. Someone's at the door. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, it's a package. What did I order? I don't know. We'll see. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started and take a look at some of the things I've been looking at. And I'm going to be reading your guys' comments. And we're going to first do a Bitcoin market update. So this is what it's looking like right now. This is the current state of the market. This is the weekly. Is this the weekly? Yeah. This is the weekly. Ray is up. There was some news with Ray last week, which we discussed. If any of you, I will just let you know, if any of you actually come to my house, have the audacity to come to my house, it won't end well for you, any way, shape, or form. And it's not funny. I just want to be very, very clear with that. It just wouldn't end well at all, any way, shape, or form. But anyways, so this is what the current weekly looks like. Popcat, which is a very big cult classic, is up about 18%. Ape is down 30%. And I wonder why. Probably because they launched their ape chain and then like a bunch of people got really excited, number went up, and we don't really need all these chains. We really, really don't. Their chain, like anytime you launch a chain is for like a particular community, and that's great, fantastic. But I just don't like having a lot of different chains to choose from. I hold ApeCoin and I hold Mutant Ape NFT. Mu is up 15%. And on the daily, things are looking a little bit better. Little bit better. But let's actually take a look at Bitcoin. first. And again, I actually was a little bit lazy, little bit lazy. And I just made this chart for you guys right now. Shout out to the members of the channel. I do want to go to England. I do want to go to England. And I want to see Coxborough. That's what I want to do. But good morning to the channel members, to Raul, to Mr. R. If you're not a channel member, I will probably ignore you. Just kidding. I might, if you say something very, very important or that catches my interest, I will give attention to that. But if not, I'll probably skim over it because I like to support people that support me. Anyways, it's okay if you're late. We're not doing anything too much, but I just want to talk about the U.S. election, last election season to this election season. Okay. So, and this is a little chart that I went ahead and I did. I'll probably redo this video when I'm feeling a little bit better. But this was 7/20/2022 was when DeFi summer began. And I remember that. The reason why I remember that is because I was on vacation for my birthday and the markets were going insane. I was like, what the hell is happening? And that's when we really saw this nice big test at about $12,000. And as you can see, that was like the high that we saw in the market, even back over here in February of 2018. That was the high after we had that gnarly drop from the top of like $19,000. And then we were just trading underneath 12,000 for a very long time. Again, this is on the weekly. Yes, we did have a swing week high, another swing week high that occurred, but we didn't break and sustain above it until election week of 2022, which was November 3rd of 2020, or excuse me, November 3rd of 2020. That's when the bull market really kicked off. Okay. So I'm feeling a lot of similarities here, but not really. Because if we like zoom in a little bit and we look, so we have DeFi summer where we finally like re-kissing on $12,000. And then the week of election week of 2020, we completely had a bull run. We started getting a beautiful break above the $24,000 area, which kicked off the bull run, but it was a little bit early. And this was in March of 2024. And this price action is absolutely wild. Like you can't even compare these two runs together any way, shape, or form. But what I am seeing is an area of resistance on the weekly. And the area of resistance seems to be about $72,000. Okay. And hold on a second. Where is 11/3? Here we go. This is going to be election week, 11/4/2024. And that's when we saw price absolutely go insane 4 years ago, last cycle. So will history repeat itself? To me, I think so. And I think we will see an epic bull run regardless of who wins. As always, if Trump wins, we're going to get regulatory clarity when it comes to crypto, and we have a pro-crypto president. If Harris wins, we are going to get non-positive regulatory. We're going to get negative regulatory clarity, and you're essentially going to lose a lot of your rights when it comes to crypto. Crypto will be DOA in the United States of America. That's just my personal opinion, and that's just judging by certain actions. But again, you do what you want to do. You vote for who you want to vote for. I just wanted to share this chart with you really quickly. But let's actually take a look at what Bitcoin is doing. Okay. This is my old timey chart. Let's do this one here. Let's do this one. Which one? I'll get rid of this one. We don't really need it. All right. Move drawings. So we're going to start on the weekly. This week we opened at 69,000. Got a swing low to 65,000. And currently trading at 67,000. Taking a look at the daily, daily's actually looking pretty nice. Market CIPHER's a little bit flat, but we were in an uptrend here, like this. That's where we're at over here. So just as long as we sustain above like the $62,000 area, good, fine, fantastic. And on the 4 hour, just a lot of sideways action. But again, Bitcoin, I'm not really too terribly concerned about. I'm not, because I do think that we are going to make all-time highs. I think we will see the $100,000 Bitcoin, etc. So as far as a weekly close this week, right now, this price action doesn't mean too terribly much to me. I just want to see us actually break above. No, you have to go to YouTube to see it. Because TikTok does not push my desktop live streams for some reason. It only pushes the mobile stuff. So with that being said, we need to break above 72,000. I think that we will see that soon. Fingers crossed after the election. Now, as far as that goes, take a look at Ethereum. And I'm also going to make another video about the rise and fall of Ethereum versus Solana and why Solana right now is doing better than Ethereum. But at the same time, Solana still has a lot of interesting characteristics as Ethereum does, as far as community goes, and the gatekeeping and the elitist behavior. And that unless you're in the cool people's gang, you don't get invited to a lot of the stuff and you're not really accepted as part of the community. You should be worried about Bitcoin. 10 countries have banned it. Ha ha ha. Cool story, dude. Anyways, taking a look at Ethereum. This is what Ethereum's doing. We're just ranging between $2,800 and about $2,200 over here. That's what we're doing. I don't care. I hold Ethereum. I'm still up. I have Ethereum sub $100. I'm just vibing. I'm fine. Solana has done incredibly well. Very, very well this weekly. We're kissing 176. We actually broke above the $156 area over here, which is great. Taking a look at the daily chart. Daily's actually looking good. A little bit toppish on market cipher, but that's okay. That's okay. And as far as SQUID goes, my $100 position is down. So, oh, well, that sucks. We'll probably retest about $1.61 over here. Probably go down even a little bit more. Oh my goodness, Flash Gordon. You guys can debate like whatever. Like I don't really care. You guys could argue about it. I don't care. I support you. This is the thing. I can support your right to vote for whoever you want to and like not say mean things. Like don't care. Oh, McNasty. No, I'm Canadian. What did he say over here? This is funny. Hold on a second. Oh, McNasty. Yeah, you are Canadian. So that totally makes sense. That makes sense. Apologies for you. Actually, no apologies to you. I just feel sorry for you. But anyways, with that being said, Sui's heading down a little bit. But I want to take a look at some of the meme coins people are talking about. Okay. So what meme coins and altcoins should I look at during the stream? And make sure you guys like and all that type of stuff, Can you check Trump coin, please? If you're going to shill something in the mentions, I need a ticker. I need a contract address. That's what I need. Now over here, let's see. These are all the Cardano meme coins. I don't know what platform to trade these on, so I'm not going to take a look. My DMs are open if you want insights. That's not good enough for me. These are a lot of old stuff, waffles. I'm not touching that. Shout out to BaseNet Panda. Callie says Coco on Sol. We're going to talk about the XRP meme coins. Snake is a bit of an older one. I don't see anything exciting or new. Shout out to Simon's Cat. We like Simon's Cat. Puka. This is so funny. Over at Apu HQ, we just had our NFT mint sold out in 10 minutes. The funds, blah, blah, funds listings. I'm around meme coin list. Get it now. That's adorable. And I appreciate you guys using my likeness. But if I don't get an honorary, it just kind of sucks. Well, actually, that's what I'm going to comment. Comment that. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit frustrating to me. But that's something for another day. Shout out to the Titan X community. They stay in my mentions. I'm not seeing anything great. What the heck? Yeah, I just block dumb people because it's fun. I don't see anything really like great and unique. Okay. The Venomino people are really been in my mentions. Eva, Pumpsuit Trillion, definitely a pregnant man. The emoji coins did pretty well, which was good. Yeah, nothing too great here. Okay. Well, with that being said, there's some things that I do want to show you guys. First and foremost, Moonshot. I do have a ref link below. if you are brand new to crypto and you're trying to get into memes, understand you're probably going to lose money because you don't know what to look for, and that's okay. Because the meme coins this cycle are a lot different than we saw last cycle and in 2018, 2017. Also, with that being said, Moonshot is like good for people that are just getting started. So I do have a ref link below if you want to use it. If not, totally fine. Completely up to you. But it makes it a lot easier because you don't have to really go searching for the contract address and everything. The contracts are kind of verified, and it just makes a little bit of makes things easier. But that's your guys' business. That's what you guys got to take a look at. And also too, I do have to shout out First Ledger. I am not partnered with them, but they are XRP meme coins on the XRPL. So if that's something that's interesting to you, take a look at it. This is what it is over here. You do have to have a Telegram account. I don't have any of these. I just think it's awesome that the XRP community is like, F you to Ripple and doing meme coins, because why not? Literally, why not? This is probably the only decentralized aspect of Ripple and XRP is the meme coins with that. And then I want to drop you this alpha. Introducing Based Agent. This is from Coinbase. AI agents with full on-chain functionality on Base in less than 3 minutes. The era of autonomous on-chain agents is here, built with Coinbase Dev, SDK, OpenAI, and Replit. You can make a XBot too. I haven't done this. I haven't vetted it. I highly recommend you guys take a look at it. People are going to do absolutely, like, basically what we're going to see happen because of AI. We're going to see a lot of people use AI agents in crypto, and you're not going to have to trade anymore. You're going to get to build your own stuff. Again, I'm not a dev. I'm not tech savvy. I have no idea how this works, but we're going to be covering it a lot more intensively as the weeks go on. Now, that being said, I wanted to put you guys onto that. And I also, when we're talking about AI, I want to go back to Mark Andreessen's account. He's the guy, like a trillion, I think, is he a trillionaire or a billionaire? I don't even know what this guy has. Oh, listen, you're just annoying, dude. I'm going to get you out of there. Yeah, I haven't been in crypto for like a million years. Anyways, I don't have time for like angry dudes on the internet. Like, go talk to your wife, man. Like, any dude that is in my mentions or in my lives on the internet, it's like embarrassing, but do you? Anyways, this is the gentleman. He's like an OG investor in tech, Andreessen. And he apparently invested like $50,000 and put it into like this AI agent and made like $150 million. So that's something to be said about that. And we'll do a bigger, deeper dive later on. I thought that was important to share with you guys. So if you're not paying attention to AI tokens, you need to be. If you have a little bit of time, I highly recommend you take a look at the Coinbase, what they're building over the Based Agent on Coinbase. It seems like to be the most easiest way to kind of get started with this. Again, I'm not a dev, so I don't know. And I also want to remind you something. Where is it here? Fun fact, less than 5% of the global population is invested in crypto. 5%. 5% of the global population is invested in crypto. I know it's really cringe to say we're still early, but literally we are still early. We really, really, really are. And again, shout out to Corey Shaw. Corey just joined the O Army. I appreciate it. Absolutely love it. Thank you. But with that being said, like you're still very early. Like if you're in crypto now, you're early. I also think that, and I know we talked about Bitcoin. Like, to me, there's not really a lot to talk about on the chart because everybody's like paying attention to meme coins, but I'm gonna put y'all in game to something. Right now, the cycle is in meme coins. That's where all the money is. If you want to make money, you're gonna have to take a lot of risk, but most of you will probably get wrecked. Altcoin season. Will it happen again? I have no idea. I honestly have no idea. Like the Cardanos and the XRPs and all of that stuff, will these top 100 coins appreciate again? I have no idea. But right now, the money is in it's in meme coins and it's AI. So if you want to get involved in these, play on Moonshot. Learn how to do this. Start paper trading. And also understand, you don't even have to participate in any of this stuff. You can literally just buy Bitcoin and dollar cost average in Bitcoin, and you will outperform most people. My daughter, I bought her Bitcoin back in 2017. I liquidated her savings account. I bought her one Bitcoin, sub $10,000 Bitcoin. She has outperformed my 401k from that I started in 2012. So that's a little bit of food for thought. So you can gamble with meme coins, probably lose it all, or you could just dollar cost average in Bitcoin and probably outperform most people. But again, the choice is yours. You can do a little bit of both. That's just my personal opinion. Either way, I know we're in a crypto bull market. We've been in a crypto bull market. And I think that we're really going to start to take off right after election season. We will, regardless of who becomes president, that's going to determine the trajectory of the bull market. But we're going to get an epic bull run regardless. If Trump wins, we're going to the moon. And we will have another altcoin season in America. If Harris wins, we're going to the moon. And it will be the last altcoin season in the United States of America. And on that note, go Seahawks. Also, if you're in San Diego, I'm hosting a meetup. Information is on my website. It is free. And I will catch you guys tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. PST. Bye-bye. Bye, babies.